Let's build on this concept of multiplication table that we just acquired. We're going to take 2 digits by 1, multiplying tens and units. So when we say tens, we're referring to numbers in 2 ways, 1, 2. So that is a 10, and then by a unit is 1 by 5. So we're going to run through at least 5 to 8 examples to reinforce this process for us to become more comfortable with this multiplication, and you're going to enjoy it. Please get your pen and paper and practice along. So when you want to multiply in this way, you have the number 5 units, multiplying 13. So this 5 we multiply 3, and the same 5 we multiply 1, and we're going to have the answers here and here. Whatever is carried over will be added in the last phase. So let's play with this. We have 13 and 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So we have left and right. We are always going to write the number on the right hand side. So we write 5. Now remember, the number on the left is 10. 1, we carry it over and say plus 1. We carry that number over. Now we multiply 5 times 1. And this will be 5 times 1 equals 5, plus the 1 we carried over. That gives us 6. And we write 6 here. So you can see, as you walk through the example, this 5 will multiply the number above. We write the product only 1 digit on the right hand side, and then carry the 1 that is remaining to the other side to be added. We're going to keep walking through these exercises repetitively to reinforce the concept. So we have 20, we'll multiply 8. So these two will multiply each other. So 8 will multiply 0, 8 will also multiply 2. So we have 20 multiplying 8. So 0 times 8 will give us 0. And then 8 times 2 will give us 16. Since it's coming last, we're just going to write the answer 16. You can see the similarity. The arrow goes in the same way. Let's go to the third example. We have 38 multiplied by 4. The same pattern. 4 will multiply 8, and 4 will multiply 3. So let's take 4. Now let's come in here. And we have 38 by 4. So we are saying 4 times 8 will give us 32. Remember, what number are we going to write down? To the right hand side. And we carry our plus 3. And 4 again will multiply 3. And that gives us 12. Plus the 3 we carried over. That gives us 15. 152. And the fourth example, we have 43 multiplying 2. And These 2 will multiply 3 above, and the same 2 will multiply 4. So let's carry it out. 43 multiplied by 2. So we are saying 2 times 3 equals 6. We write 6 here. And 2 times 4 is 8. We write 8. Pretty nifty? Yes. So let's build on that. We go to number 5. We have 39 multiplied by 6. The same number goes up to multiply and multiply the one on the side. So let's see what we have. 39 times 6. So what we are going to multiply is 9 times 6 equals 54. Remember, the number we're going to write down here as our first answer, 4. And then the 5, we carry it to be added. Now we multiply 6 times 3. That gives us 18. Remember our plus 5? We had the 5, and that gives us 23. And that is what we write as our final answer here. The 6th example. We have 74 multiplied by 3. And looking at it, same pattern. The number below will multiply. And let's see how it plays out. 74 times 3. We have 3 times 4. That gives us 12. So what number do we write down? We write 2 and carry 1. Then we'll say 3 times 7 equals 21 plus that one that we carried, and that gives us 21 plus 1, and that becomes 22. That's how we ended up having 22. I still have time. We can take 2 more examples just to be able to reinforce the concept. So we go to number 7. We have 99 times 5. How do we multiply this? You understand the concept by now. 5 will multiply 9, and 5 will also multiply this 9. So we have 99 multiplied by 5. So we have 9 times 5 equals to 45. The next question, what number do we write down? 5. And we carry our plus 4 here. Then again, 9 times 5 will give us 45. Now plus 4. So we have 49. And lastly, we'll take 87 and 5. 5 will multiply 7, and 5 will multiply 8. Let's see how it plays out. So we have 7 times 5. That gives us 35. Remember, what number are we going to write down again? 5. And our 3, we carry it forward. Please don't forget to always know the number you're carrying forward, because it's very important. And then 5 times 8, that will give us 40. Remember the plus 3 we carried? And that's 43. Then we have 435. So you can time yourself and practice this. And the more you practice, the more you get better at it. Thank you for watching. The next video, we're going to take 2 digits by 2 digits.